If corrosion, panel deformation, and inconsistent lead times are causing rework and warranty exposure, you don't need another material vendor. You need a composite manufacturing partner that delivers repeatable quality and reliable supply lot after lot. Vortex Shenzhen Vortex Composite Materials Co., Ltd. Building materials and industrial corrosion-resistant applications. With sales and engineering support in Shenzhen and a manufacturing base in Yunfu, Guangdong, China. Supported by a 30,000 square meters facility, you get stable capacity, controlled production, and responsive technical support for project delivery. Continuous FRP panels, 7.2 million square meters. FRP sandwich panels, 0.4 million amp. Solutions aligned to your application requirements. Truck bodies, cold chain RV structures, lightweight skins, impact performance, and insulation-ready panel structures to reduce after-sales risk. Roofing cladding, corrosion resistance, UV weather durability, and daylighting options to lower lifecycle maintenance costs. Corrosive industrial environments, corrosion-resistant sheets and panels for livestock facilities, acidic workshops, and cooling system-related applications. You can specify thickness, gel coat type, color, surface finish, and core configuration, and receive matching processing recommendations, so your assembly is more efficient and your delivery schedule stays protected. Send your application, target dimensions, and performance requirements. You will receive a recommended panel structure, key specifications, and a sampling plan.